Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a brilliant idea for a business, a blog, or a personal portfolio and thought, I need a website for this, but then immediately felt overwhelmed? You're not alone. The journey from a simple idea to a fully functioning live website can seem like climbing a mountain. But what if I told you it's more like following a clear, well-marked trail? In today's Ultimate Guide, we're going to break down that entire process, step by step, from the first spark of an idea to the exciting moment you hit that launch button. We'll cover everything you need to know to build a website you can be proud of without needing a computer science degree. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to bring your digital vision to life. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started on building your corner of the internet. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of your entire project, your purpose. Before you even think about domain names or color schemes, you need to ask yourself some critical questions. What is the primary goal of this website? Is it to sell products? Is it to showcase your photography? Maybe you want to share your knowledge through a blog or build a community around a shared interest? Be as specific as possible. Instead of just, I want to sell stuff. Try, I want to sell handmade ceramic mugs to young professionals who appreciate unique home decor. See the difference? Clarity is key. Once you know your why, you can define your goals. Are you trying to get 100 email subscribers in the first month? Or make your first 10 sales? These goals will act as your North Star, guiding every decision you make, from the features you include to the content you create. Don't skip this step. A clear purpose and measurable goals will save you countless hours and headaches down the line. It's the blueprint for your success. Okay, with your purpose clearly defined, it's time to choose your tools. Act. This is where you select a website builder, and thankfully, you have more amazing options today than ever before. Think of this as choosing the right vehicle for your journey. Are you looking for something incredibly user-friendly where you can just drag and drop elements into place? Then platforms like Squarespace or Wix might be perfect for you, as they are designed for beginners and offer beautiful all-in-one solutions. Or maybe you want more control and flexibility with the ability to customize almost everything. In that case, WordPress.org, paired with a good hosting provider, is the undisputed king. It has a steeper learning curve, but its power is unmatched, with thousands of plugins to add any functionality you can imagine. There are also specialized platforms like Shopify, which is the gold standard if your main goal is e-commerce. Do your research here. Look at pricing, features, and ease of use. Watch a few tutorials for each of your top contenders. Choosing the right platform for your specific needs is a crucial decision that will set the stage for your entire building experience. Now that you've got your purpose and your platform, it's time to be the architect of your digital space. We need to plan your website structure. This is where you create a sitemap. Don't let the technical terms scare you. Sitemap is just a simple map of all the pages on your website and how they connect to each other. You can literally sketch this out on a piece of paper. You'll have your homepage at the top. From there, what are the main sections? Typically, you'll see pages like About Us, Services or Products, Blog, and Contact. If you're running an online store, you'll have category pages and individual product pages. Think about the user's journey. How will a visitor navigate from your homepage to find what they're looking for? You want the path to be as logical and intuitive as possible. A well-planned site structure not only makes your site easy for visitors to use, but it's also fantastic for SEO, helping search engines understand your content. This blueprint ensures you build a website that's organized, user-friendly, and effective from the ground up. With your sitemap in hand, we can move on to the fun part, making your website look good. This is where you select a theme or template. A theme is essentially a pre-designed skin for your website that controls the overall look and feel, the colors, the fonts, the layout. Most website builders come with a library of both free and premium themes. My advice? Don't just pick the one that looks the prettiest at first glance. Think back to your purpose and your target audience. If you're a corporate lawyer, a playful, brightly colored theme probably isn't the right fit. If you're a children's book author, a stark, minimalist design might not convey the right personality. Look for a theme that is responsive, which means it will look great on any device, from a giant desktop monitor to a tiny smartphone screen. This is non-negotiable in today's mobile-first world. Also, check the theme's customization options. Can you easily change the colors and fonts to match your brand? A good theme gives you a beautiful starting point while still allowing you to make it uniquely yours. Your website is built, the design is looking sharp, but hold on. Don't hit that launch button just yet. You've reached one of the most critical and often overlooked stages: testing and review. You need to put on your detective hat and go through your website with a fine-tooth comb. Click on every single link. Does it go to the right page? Check for any 400 for not found errors. Fill out every form on your site, like your contact form. Does the submission actually go through? Do you receive the email? Read every single word of your copy out loud. This is a great trick to catch typos, grammatical errors, and sentences that just sound awkward. Most importantly, test your website on different devices. Borrow your friend's phone, use your tablet, and check it on both a Mac and a PC. How does it look? Does anything appear broken or difficult to use on a smaller screen? It's even better if you can ask a few friends to test it for you. Fresh pair of eyes will often spot issues you've missed. Thorough testing ensures that when your first real visitors arrive, they have a smooth, professional, and frustration-free experience. Congratulations, you've planned, built, and tested. It's time to launch. But launching your website is like opening a new store in the middle of a desert. If you don't tell anyone it's there, no one will come. Now it's time to promote your website and start attracting visitors. How do you do that? Start with your existing network. Announce your new website on all your personal and professional social media profiles. Write a post explaining what your site is about and who it's for. Don't be shy, be proud of what you've built. Send a personalized email to friends, family, and colleagues, inviting them to check it out. If you've been collecting emails, now is the time to send out a launch announcement to your list. Beyond your immediate circle, think about where your target audience hangs out online. Are they in specific Facebook groups? On certain subreddits? Start engaging in those communities, not by spamming your link, but by providing genuine value and mentioning your site when it's relevant. You can also start learning the basics of search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find you through Google. Promotion isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing effort. But that initial push is what will get the snowball rolling and bring your first wave of visitors. And there you have it, the complete journey from a simple idea to a live, launched, and promoted website. We started by defining our purpose, our why, which guides every other decision. We explored how to choose the right website builder for our needs, whether it's an all-in-one solution or a more powerful, customizable platform. We learned how to architect our site with a clear sitemap for a user-friendly experience. We dove into the world of design by selecting a responsive and appropriate theme. We stressed the critical importance of testing everything, every link, every form, every page before going live. And finally, we talked about how to create that initial buzz and promote your new online home to the world. Building a website is a marathon, not a sprint, but by following these steps, you've turned a massive, intimidating project into a manageable and even enjoyable process. You now have the knowledge and the roadmap to create something amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this detailed guide. I truly hope you found it valuable and that you're feeling empowered to start your own website building journey. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more content like this to help you succeed online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Do you have any questions? Or are you working on a website right now? I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment down below and let's chat. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.